Watch what happens when our friend Milo gets paid for the first time. He sees $320 hit his account, and within 48 hours, gone, like vanished into the digital void. Today, we're breaking down the 5 brutal stages of getting rich in your 20s and how you can start moving through them right now, even if you're still in high school. Let's keep it simple, practical, and real. Meet Milo. He's basically all of us, trying to figure out money while juggling school, friends, and the pressure to not look broke online. But today, he faces a classic problem. He wants to get rich one day, but has no clue what the early stages actually look like.
Stage 1. Money leaks everywhere. When teens say they're saving, but the account still never grows, it's usually because tiny purchases leak out like holes in a bucket. Milo buys a $6.79 latte, a $14 Uber split, a $5 game upgrade, and $9 fast food. Feels harmless, right? But in a week, that's $70. In a month, $280. That's literally a pair of AirPods leaking out of his account. Because it doesn't feel like spending. Everything is taps, swipes, autofills, and buy now. It's frictionless. And frictionless spending hits harder. Screenshot your spending for 7 days. That's it. You'll catch leaks instantly. Milo found he was losing about $54 a week without noticing. Plugging that alone saves him $216 a month.
Stage 2. The first 1K feels impossible. Your first $1,000 feels like pushing a car uphill. It's slow, heavy, boring, but once it moves, it gets easier. Because they try to save $1,000 in one shot instead of tiny chunks. Split it. $5 to $10 a day, that's $150 to $300 a month. 3 to 6 months, and boom, you're there. Milo cuts 2 leaks, fast food and impulse skins, saves $9 a day, reaches $270 a month, and $1,000 in just under 4 months. Milo sees $1,000 in his account for the first time ever. Actual peace of mind hits.
Stage 3. Learning to make money without a job title. Most teens wait for some perfect job to start earning, but your first real money usually comes from random, unglamorous skills. Examples teens actually do. $25 for tutoring a freshman. $40 editing a friend's TikTok ads. $15 to refix someone's Chromebook settings. $60 flipping a thrifted hoodie. Because they think every side hustle has to be a business. Bro, no. Think of it like trading Pokemon cards. You move what people want. List 3 skills you already have that people would pay $10 to $30 for. Then tell 5 people you offer it. Milo makes $110 his first week doing simple tech fixes.
Stage 4. Mastering the boring stuff, where the real wealth starts. The rich don't win by being smarter, but by being consistent with boring habits that compound. If Milo invests just $50 a week into an index fund earning 7% yearly, he ends up with around $41,000 in 10 years. If he waits until he's 25 to start, it's almost half of that. It feels slow. It feels adult. It feels far away. But this is the stage that creates future freedom. Set up automatic investing, $20 or $50 a week. Automation is the cheat code. Stage 5. Identity shift. I'm someone who handles money well. Real wealth isn't the number in your account. It's your habits, your calm, your confidence. Because it requires facing money honestly without judging yourself. 1 weekly money check-in, 10 minutes. No shame, no guilt, just clarity. Milo goes from anxious to confident. He doesn't feel broke anymore, even before he gets rich. To recap, here are the 5 stages that matter most. 1. Find the leaks. Keep more of the money you already earn. 2. Build your first 1K. Create momentum and calm. 3. Earn without a job title. Unlock your real earning power. 4. Automate investing. Let money grow while you sleep. 5. Shift your identity. Become someone who stays stable, not stressed.
Try this today. Screenshot your last 7 days of spending. Circle every purchase you forgot you made. That's your starting point. Then drop a comment saying, "Leaks found," or "No leaks yet." Let's see where you're at. If you want more easy financial lessons made for teens, you already know what to do.